Next, I'm going to do the outlet. That goes right there. And then I'm going to put the thermostat in and put the inlet hose down over here. Alright, come on, camera. Oh. Perfect. All right. And for anyone that needs to know part number, that's for that right here. One more time. And I don't know if there's a big difference or not, but I always like to do the blue one up along the one that goes to the block there. And I always kind of like to double up, especially if it's these nice metal ones. I like to do that as well. And it will be coming out that way. And they are going to be 12s, 12 millimeter. There you go, that's back on there. And just to go ahead and, so I don't forget, I'm going to go through here and tighten the power steering pump real quick. For anyone's information, they are 12 millimeter as well. All right. Thermostat. And those nuts are also 12 millimeters. And lastly, there is a bolt that comes down here that holds this bracket in place. I'm going to go ahead and get that in there as well. And if I'm correct, that's going to be a 10 mil as well. Just like so. All right, now we got the power steering, thermostat, the outlet. We have the back right over here, your main water line. Next is gonna be, ooh, what do I want to say it's gonna be next? I want to say it's gonna probably be the exhaust manifolds. And I'm also gonna put the oil filter that goes right there.